friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my session, people. Hi, this is Maria Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. And guys, we were studying this chapter genetics from our ICSE class 10, right? In the previous session, if you could recollect, we had covered up Mendel's monohybrid cross along with the concept of mutation. So, what are we going to study today? So, point number one, we are going to cover up the second experiment performed by Mendel, that was the dihybrid cross, along with the three laws of inheritance proposed by him. Now, people, these two concepts are really important in your board examinations. So, I am super excited. If you are equally excited, hit on the like button. Share this video with your friends. Let's establish a learning community. साथ में पढ़ेंगे, मजा आएगा. And people, do subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and quickly post me in the chats. Chalo, let's get started. So yeah, firstly we'll cover up the Mendel's experiment, that is the dihybrid cross. Now, why this particular experiment was called as dihybrid cross? Because Mendel considered two pair of contrasting characters while conducting a cross. Okay, for example, he considered the first character as the seed shape, which could be round or wrinkled, and the second character which he considered was seed color, which could be yellow or green. So he took two pairs of contrasting characters and he crossed these plants and he obtained some hybrid seeds. So yeah, 2 means di. He conducted a cross to obtain hybrid seeds, and that's the reason why the name is dihybrid cross. Okay, so chalo, let's perform a dihybrid cross now. Now, in order to perform that, let me pick up a good color. Yeah, sure. So, first of all, two plants, as we did in the previous session, like the female plant and the male plant. He considered them as parents. So, this is P1 generation. Now, in the P1 generation, he took round yellow and wrinkled green, pure parents, right? Now, this round yellow and wrinkled green, what is it? Phenotype or genotype? Come on, let me know in the comment section. Phenotype or genotype? So, yeah, people, this is the physical appearance, which we call it as the phenotype of the plants. So, if this is the phenotype, what will be the genotype of these individuals? So, the genotype will be capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Okay. Y2, as I mentioned, sexually reproducing organisms, two genes, one gene from each parent. So yeah, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Pure round yellow plant. Okay. With small r, small r, small y, small y. Wrinkled green. So round yellow are dominant traits, wrinkled green are the recessive traits. We discussed this in the previous session, right? So this is the phenotype and the genotype. But we are not interested in the pheno and geno of the plant. We are interested in gametes. Why? In order to obtain the offsprings, we require gametes, right? So let us write down the gametes over here. So people, when the gametes are formed, the chromosome number is reduced to half. The genes are going to reduce it to half. So here, one capital R and one capital Y, right? So let's write down the central pair. Okay, so yeah, and here small r, small y. Is it correct? Absolutely correct. Now you will say, ma'am, you are forgetting one thing. Kya? To encircle the gametes. Yes, my kids, it's very important to encircle the gametes. Okay. Now people, when we encircle the gametes, we obtain two different gametes for two different plants. Now let's try to fuse these gametes. Sure. Now when we are fusing them, we are getting a hybrid round yellow offspring, isn't it? So congratulations, the hybrid round yellow plant is born, or seeds are obtained, right? Now offsprings are called as philia. So this is F1 generation. So in the F1 generation, the first one is the genotype and the second one is the phenotype. Now, chalo, pheno and geno is so understood. Mendel could not understand one thing. Ki why all the seeds are round and yellow? Why not a single seed which was wrinkled and green? Again confused. So he extended his experiment further and he created the second generation of parents. So for this P2 generation, what did he do? He did self-pollination in F1 individuals, and that is what is called as selfing. So he did selfing. Selfing means self-pollination in F1 generation. Okay. So yeah, after doing this self-pollination, what was obtained? So to understand this, let us first write down the cross. Okay. So I'll become a little bit tinier over here. So yeah, in the P2 generation, okay, he crossed hybrid round yellow plants. I mean, he did self-pollination, not crossed. He did self-pollination using this hybrid round yellow plants. Then, what were the gametes obtained this time? Now, people, the gametes are really interesting. Now, you have to try out all permutation and combinations. So, yeah, capital R can fuse with capital Y and they may. Capital R can fuse with small y and they may. Small r can fuse with capital Y and they may. And small r can fuse with small y again and they may. So 4 different gametes for the first plant. He did self-pollination, so exactly same gametes will be present, right? So capital R, capital Y and they may. Capital R, small y and they may. Small r, capital Y and they may. Small r, small y and they may. So see, 4 different gametes were obtained. So chalo, let us fill them over here. So yeah, let me draw this partition to represent the female gametes and the male gametes across. Okay. So chalo, fill in the gametes. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Okay. Then repeat capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Okay. Chalo, now let's try to fuse them. So I will be using a different color. Okay. So yeah, chalo. So let's fill in capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Of course, the seeds will be round, yellow, right? Then, second one, capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Again, the seeds will be round, yellow, isn't it? Yes, it will be. Chalo, case 3. Capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Seeds will be round, yellow, again. Then, here, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. The seeds will be round, yellow, again. Right? Chalo. All of them are round yellow. Chalo, let's fill in the other boxes. Capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Again, round, yellow. Okay. Then, capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Round, yellow, again. Then, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Round yellow again. So you will be saying कि मैम क्या सारे round yellow ही है? ना रे बेटा. But yes, whatever we obtained are round yellow. Right? चलो let's go diagonally. and let's see what's the fun. So here, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, and again there is a round yellow. Yep. Then capital R, capital Y, small y, round yellow again. Now people, see the magic. Can you see this diagonal? All are capital R, capital Y, small y. Diagonally, the genotype is all the same. And if you see it properly, this right angle triangle is of round yellow seeds. Understood? So yeah, round yellow seeds. How many round yellow are there? 9. Okay, चलो moving further. ठीक है? Then चलो, now people, capital R, small y. Now capital R represents round, but small y, it means it's not yellow. The seed is gonna be green this time. Round green. ठीक है? Sure. Then let's jump one box and write capital R, small y. So this time capital R means again round, and small y means again green. So round green. Okay. Now let's fill in this empty box. Capital R, small y. Now people, this is round green again. So how many round green? 3. 1 inside the right angle triangle and 2 outside the right angle triangle. Right? So round green and round yellow and round green. So 2 phenotypes so we have already obtained. Let us move further. Okay, let me pick up another color now. Now, people, yeah. So here, capital R, small r, capital Y. Capital R for round and capital. Oh, I did a mistake. Sorry, I did a mistake. Let me erase this. That is the reason why I was thinking कि ऐसा कैसा इतना बड़ा गड़बड़ कैसा हो गया. Yeah, sure. So yeah, small r, capital Y. So small r will represent round? No, it's gonna represent wrinkled seeds. And capital Y, of course, yellow. So wrinkled yellow. Perfect. Okay, then the next one. Small r, capital Y, small y. So small r is definitely the wrinkled, and capital Y, at least a single capital Y, heterozygous condition. So yeah, it's yellow. Okay, then small r, capital Y, small y. Again, wrinkled yellow. Okay, so see another Chintu, right angle triangle with wrinkled yellow. And last but not the least, let me pick up another color. Small r, small y. Yay! The missing wrinkled green seed is finally obtained. So yeah, let's write down wrinkled green. So now see the fun, people. See the diagonal. We have obtained 4 different phenotypes diagonally. Round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, wrinkled green. Okay. So, how many round yellow? 9. How many round green? 3. How many wrinkled yellow? 3. And how many wrinkled green? 1. So, 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. And that's the fun. Okay. So, people, let us write down the ratio over here. So yeah, I have taken this blank slide and let me write the phenotype phenotypic ratio over here. Okay, phenotypic ratio. So yeah, let's write down round yellow. Should I use the same color or different color? Chalo, I'll use different color. Okay. So yeah, let's write down round yellow is to round. No, I'll rewrite it again. Okay, I'll rewrite it again. Yeah. You will say, ma'am, क्या कर रहे हो? सबर सबर. Okay. So yeah, let's write round yellow is to round green is to wrinkled yellow is to wrinkled green. And what was the ratio, people? The ratio was 9:3:3:1, है ना? So round yellow were 9, round green were 3, wrinkled yellow 3, and wrinkled green 1. So ratio is 9:3:3:1. You have to write this down in a proper single line, and don't forget to pack your answer in a box. Okay, remember I told you last time, है ना? So pack it in a box, guys. Okay, yeah, ये one हट गया, yeah. So yes, shall I rewrite it? Okay. Let me rewrite it again. It should not be confusing for you. Yeah, it's 9:3:3:1. Okay, perfect. So people, if you're understanding, if you're enjoying, hit on the like button, post a U in the chats, share this video with your friends, classmates, buddies, and let's establish a learning community. And yeah, do subscribe to our channel. Now people, let me know in the comment section how many of you haven't yet enrolled in Vedantu. How many of you? Chalo, let me know. And if you haven't yet enrolled, people, it's high time that you enroll it ASAP. Okay, enroll it ASAP. So yeah, the result of dihybrid cross, let us once again recapitulate. Okay, so when the round yellow and the wrinkled seeds are crossed in the F1 generation, so now people, let us find out the result of this dihybrid cross. Okay, so when the round yellow and wrinkled seeds are being crossed, okay, so round yellow were 9, round green were 3, wrinkled green were 3, and finally the people, now that we have derived this phenotypic ratio, let us just revise it once again. Okay, so the results, round yellow into wrinkled seeds, the ratio in the F2 generation, 9 round yellow, 3 round green, 3 wrinkled yellow, and 1 wrinkled green. The ratio is 9:3:3:1, right? So people, see this Punnett square. Now in the Punnett square, we obtained 9 round yellow as I showed you, then 3 round green, right? Then 3 wrinkled yellow, and finally 1 wrinkled green. The ratio is 9:3:3:1, phenotypic ratio. And what about genotypic ratio? Genotypic ratio is not asked to you in your examinations. So chill, relax. Om Ignoraya Namaha. Okay, people, I hope you have well understood this dihybrid cross. And people, if you have well understood this dihybrid cross, don't forget the ratio 9:3:3:1. Okay, people. Now, tell me, every one of you, in the comment section, have you joined Vedantu or not? How many of you are already existing students of Vedantu? Chalo, let me know. कितने बच्चे वेदांतु के स्टूडेंट्स हैं? If you haven't yet enrolled, what are you waiting for, guys? Enroll it ASAP. चलो, आज के आज enroll it ASAP. Why do you like to afford such amazing sessions which we conduct every day on our platform? No, na. So chalo, enroll it ASAP. So people, when you join us, you get 100% knowledge, you gain 100% marks, and with Vedantu's improvement promise in place, you will definitely achieve good marks, and that is what we believe. What is Vedantu's improvement promise? But this promise says that if you enroll with us for the entire academic year, you will definitely see an improvement in your scores. And if you don't see an improvement, if you don't see कि this is what I thought कि I will improvise, but if you feel कि नहीं मेरा improvement उतना नहीं हुआ है, we return back your entire course fee. No questions asked. So yes, people, join it ASAP, because such a kind of unique promise no other educational institution is ever going to offer you, right? So when you enroll with us, you get unlimited live classes with fun, amazing quizzes. So every session that we conduct on our session, on our platform, we have this fun, amazing quizzes, high level quizzes. And when you play this fun, amazing quizzes, you get an opportunity to compete with students all across the globe. You can compete with students from India, from abroad, and you get the actual competitive feel. We display you the result of fastest fingers list, leaderboard, and it's super fun, people. Secondly, we understand that at times you tend to miss certain sessions. No worries, you can watch our replays, and all our replays are interactive. Like, even while watching the replays, you can play the quizzes, you can get to see your name flashing on the leaderboard. And what else do you want? Like, it is a replay, but replay जैसा नहीं है ना? It's an amazing, unique feature. Besides that, notes and doubts, these are the two issues which prevail in the entire student community, है ना? So in all our sessions, we provide you with premium handwritten downloadable notes provided by the master teachers. Like when I'm writing and scribbling everything on the screen, just a single click away is the PDF of that particular session, not just in my YouTube sessions, but also in all our long-term sessions, all the live sessions that we conduct on our platform. So yes, you don't need to worry for the notes. In the same way, you don't need to even worry for the doubt solving, because in our sessions, we have a master teacher who will be delivering you the content, but at the same time, there will be a class teacher, classy class teacher, who will be parallelly resolving your queries on the go. And when your doubts are solved, your understanding becomes much better and clearer. Yes or no? Yes, of course, yes. And then, people, what is required for you to ace amazingly well in your examination? That's practice, है ना? So whether it is a practice through assignments or mock tests, we provide you everything over here. Chapter based assignments, session based assignments, monthly test, mid-yearly test, annual test, so many tests. And when you repeatedly appear for this test, your performance is definitely gonna improve. Yes or no? Yes. And on top of that, there are several micro courses, academic and non-academic micro courses, wherein you can enroll and you can ace not just in your boards but also in various competitive examinations, like there's NTSC, there's foundation batches. Besides that, the non-academic courses have to speak English fluently, have to boost up your confidence. There are so many stuffs. You don't need to pay anything additional. Huh? It is like inclusive of all. And when you get all these benefits in just one package, you actually receive more, and what you pay is really nominal, isn't it? तो बच्चों, इतना सुनने के बाद what are you waiting for? चलो, right now click on the link which has been posted in the description box, or which has been alternatively also pinned in the comment section, and make sure that my coupon code is applied. What is my coupon code? Chalo, spam the chat box with my coupon code. Hashtag MacPro, 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 MAKPRO, MA for Maria, K for Khan, Pro. All our subscriptions are Pro Lite, Pro Plus, Pro Classic, and when you enroll with Vedantu, you yourself become a Pro in Bio and all the other subjects, right? So yeah, Mac Pro. Now people, when you click on the link, okay, you are deviated to a website wherein your class, your board, and your academic year is automatically selected, like ICSE class 10 2022. Okay, and all the benefits which I mentioned, they will be already like presented over there. Like if I talk about unlimited live classes, study materials, assignment, test series, and in-class doubt solving, all these features you will avail with our Pro Lite subscription. Okay, with our Pro Lite subscription, you will avail all these benefits. But if you feel ki ma'am, I want a doubt solving outside the class, you go for the Pro Classic one, because there you get the benefit of having a doubt solving app. Besides that, if you want a study buddy who will be assisting you throughout the academic journey, helping you in timetable, motivating you when you are feeling depressed, solving your academic and non-academic concerns, everything. So for all those benefits, like the initial basic features, plus doubt solving app, plus a study buddy, that is academic mentor, personal mentor, you get all these benefits with the Pro Plus app. Okay, now of course the price is gonna differ. So if you opt for the Pro Lite subscription, the annual subscription would normally cost you rupee 30499. Okay, but when you apply my coupon code, which automatically gets applied when you go through the link, okay, the prize money comes down to 27449. तो देखो 30 कहाँ और 27 कहाँ, there's a difference, right? So you get this overall 19% discount on the subscription that you purchase. You can opt for the EMI option, and EMI start with as low as 2287 per month. But I will recommend you कि बेटा go for a monthly subscription, and monthly subscription would cost you rupee 3060. अच्छा, if you want to go for Pro Classic, go for it. Okay, normally it would cost you rupee 38999, but with my coupon code it would cost you rupee 35099, and the monthly subscription would cost you rupee 3870. And then same is the case with Pro Plus. The discounted rate is this one, and the monthly subscription would cost you rupee 5580. So people, grab your seats now, because our seats are getting filled like rapidly. Okay, and people, so when you have made your mind, when you scroll it further down, you will get to see this particular stuff like purchase star pro wala window. Okay, and there when you select Pro Lite or Pro Classic, Pro Plus, the prize money will be reflected over here. You can choose like to purchase 1 month course or an entire course. Ensure that my coupon code is applied, and my coupon code is MAKPRO, Mac Pro. याद रखना Mac Pro, because that's gonna give you additional discount. Okay, and people, whatever the prize money that you pay is literally nominal. You know why? Because you are getting the benefit of unlimited micro courses, and when you divide anything with unlimited, the prize money actually comes to zero, है ना? Infinite courses you are being offered. So yeah, purchase, subscribe it now. Okay, and yes, I was talking about this Vedantu's improvement promise. So this promise states that if you enroll with us for the entire academic year, we ensure that you see an improvement in your scores, and if you don't see so, we give your entire course fee back, no questions asked. But when we are giving you such a big word, we also expect you something to give us in return. And what is it that we are asking? Simply 75% attendance in your all live sessions. Now when you're paying it, why won't you attend it? Karoge na? So yeah, 75% attendance. Besides this, 75% completion of the test which we have assigned. Okay, so yeah, sessions plus assignment, and the promises for you all. Okay, and this promise is only valid up to 31st August 2021. So yeah, grab the deal now. Okay, yeah, so VIP promise and our ICSE batches, okay, they have already started for class 9 and 10. New batches will be starting soon. So yeah, enroll it ASAP. And now let us move further to the 3 laws presented by Mendel. Now the very first law is law of dominance. So what does this law of dominance says? Mendel observed that in F1 generation, only one character was reappearing. right? Only one character was seen. Like when tall and dwarf were crossed, only the seeds which were obtained, all of them were phenotypically tall. And he said, ki tall, which is appearing in the F1 generation, which is dominating over the other trait, which was the dwarf one. So tall is the dominant trait. Okay. Whereas the one which is getting masked, which is only resurfacing, reappearing in the F2 generation, that is the recessive one. Okay. So yeah, in a pair of contrasting character, the one which expresses itself in every situation is called as the dominant allele or dominant factor. Okay. Mendel used the term factor, not allele. Okay, dominant factor. And the one which gets suppressed, which gets masked by the presence of any other gene, it will express itself only and only in the homozygous condition. Such a gene is called as a recessive one. Okay, so yeah, tall is the dominant and dwarf is the recessive one. Okay, that's the law of dominance. Cool. Second one, law of segregation. What is this law of segregation? It says the two members of a pair of factors, they separate during gamete formation. So people, when I say this, like suppose a seed is having a genotype capital R, small r. Of course, the seed is round, right? But when the gametes will be formed, these two will separate, capital R and small r will separate, and two different gametes will be formed. Yes or no? Right? So the factors separate, the genes separate. Remember, factors is equal to genes and genes is equal to factors. Mendel used the term factors to represent genes. Okay? Yeah. So factors means genes separate, segregate at the time of gamete formation. That's law of segregation of gametes. Okay? Then the third law is the law of independent assortment. Now the statement is a bit tricky, but the law is really very easy. What is the statement? The distribution of allele of one character into gametes is independent of the distribution of allele of the other character. What is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is genes controlling different characters, factors controlling different characters, they are separate, they are not linked, they are not present on the same chromosome. क्या बोल रहे हो मैम? नहीं समझा? Didn't understand? Chill, I will make you understand. Okay? Suppose you are purchasing a t-shirt. Okay? A red colored t-shirt. Okay? And then to pair this up, you are purchasing a black colored jeans or trouser. Okay? Yeah. Now you purchased another t-shirt for you. Maybe what can I say? Yellow. Okay? And then you purchased another trouser or jeans maybe of blue color. Okay. Now people, simple. Day one, you wore the combination of maybe red plus black. Okay. Now day two, you wore the second combination, that is yellow plus blue. Now day 3, can you try a new combination? Can you try? Can you try? Yes, you can try. Like you may wear this red t-shirt with the blue jeans, right? So chalo, let me write the third combination, like red with the blue jeans. Okay, and day 4, the next combination, like you may wear the yellow t-shirt with black jeans. Yeah, so chalo, let me write the same combination. Okay, black jeans with the yellow t-shirt. Yeah, now how many permutations and combinations are there? 4. Why this happened? Because these are 4 separate entities, 4 separate outfits, है ना? It is not like red and blue are stitched together like the jumpsuit. Sorry, I mean red and black, they are not stitched together like a jumpsuit. Yellow and blue, they are not stitched together like a jumpsuit. No, it's not like a jumpsuit. Nah. There are 4 different outfits. You can club them in whichever permutation and combination you want. In the same manner, when I say the seed is round and yellow, when I say the seed is round and yellow, round, the factor for round is present on some other chromosome. Okay, and the one controlling yellow is present on some other chromosome. Okay, similarly, the factors controlling the wrinkled and green appearance, that is present differently, separately, and that's the reason why in the parental generation we had pure round yellow and pure wrinkled green, but in the F2 generation we had 2 new phenotypes, round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, wrinkled green. Yes or no? So yeah, this is the law of independent assortment. All those 4 traits can independently, separately be assorted into different individuals because they are not linked together. They are separate. Okay. So yeah, 3 laws: law of dominance, law of segregation, and law of independent assortment. So people, if you have understood this well, okay, if you have understood this well, thank you so much for joining me. And what is the homework for the day? Okay, so let me give you the homework. You need to state law of dominance in the homework. Okay, ठीक है? And people, let me know how you loved the session, whether you loved it or not. Okay, how much you loved the session. So let me know in the comment section, and let me know whether you found this session to be helpful or not. And you can reach out to me. You can reach out to me through the comment section, or even you can reach out to me by writing me over my mail address, that is maria.khan@vedantu.com. And that's it for the day, people. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Milo Wapis, and keep watching Vedantu. Thank you so much, people. Bye bye. Love you all.